Oh, hello there. Good to see you. Today we are going to be working on the 929. And we are going to be taking off the intake manifold because we are going to sort out some ground wires and just some vacuum lines and stuff like that. And I think Jesse, behind the camera, is going to sort out just some crappy speaker wiring from the head unit and whatnot. So we're going to rip that all out. And yeah, simplify and neaten. Yay. So as you can see, Jesse started on getting rid of the center console and stuff.
Yeah.
Can you see the wire we needed or not?
I already pulled it out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. It was just crappy. What do they call those connectors? Like split connectors or something.
Yeah, you like got to screw it in, and they all look burnt out. And, ugh.
Yeah, really dodgy crap.
Just random wires. Just
Yep.
find out what that's for, and then get rid of it if we don't need it.
So we'll take out our cassette player and hopefully find an original head unit because they look super fancy and lots of buttons and stuff. And I'm now going to get started on that intake manifold. See what we can find underneath, neaten everything up. We are going to just make up some new ground wires for the battery because they're a bit old and we might as well have some nice fresh stuff in. So we'll get started on that. This is our old positive cable. So instead of that, we are just going to make up our own. So we've got like new battery clamps, and then we'll crimp new fat wire to it and look so much neater and nice and do a better job at doing its job. So sweet. And that is our new cable. Yeah. So a lot better than the old one and nice and fresh, so winning. Jesse's pulled out one of the vents.
It's a bit brown and dirty and just generally not nice. You can see even in here, it's just like caked in dirt.
Yeah. Oh well. Getting there.
And clean. Pull the stereo out and it just comes out, not plugged in or anything. Wonder if that's that. Nah.
Oh.
It's just sitting in there.
All the terminals on the starter motor are all cleaned up now. Had a little bit of green corrosive, but nothing to worry about. So that's all pretty much done and dusted now. I'm going to do the positive one now, and I have to take them out from these sleeves that run the whole way through, as you can see. And there's a few wires at the end. So strip that back, separate them all, put some new stuff together, and go from there. And Jesse's up to something.
I'm still mucking around with the interior. I took all the stickers off the centerpiece and just gave it a bit of a brush on the thing, and just cleaning all the vents out with pipe cleaners and stuff and a little bit of metho. Just try to neaten it all up. See how it goes.
So it doesn't look so crappy.
Yeah, it's just a bit cleaner. Fresh.
The battery tray has just come out. Jesse's found something. Want to show us what you found?
Yes, the
So-
wiring loom looks like it's gotten eaten.
Yeah. So that's a real pain. So, yeah. You can see there's some wires completely gone altogether, so we might have to pull that apart and yeah, put in some new wires and just patch it up and whatnot.
Yeah, electricals.
Yeah, fun. I'm gonna strip back those wires a bit and just see how damaged it is. Hopefully it's not too bad. Cut back a bit of the insulator, whatever you want to call it, and there's a whole big mess underneath, which obviously the dirt's just been eating at it. And yeah, in here, I'll see if I can get some more light. We have a few cut wires and whatnot, so bit of a shame, but we'll fix that up and make it better.
So right now we're going to fix the wires that were destroyed in the wheel well. What we're doing now is we're making a couple of joiner wires to just rejoin it back up. And instead of having to solder it, we're going to use these really handy metal joiners here and then just crimp down on the wires to connect them. Because soldering is a pain and I hate it. So we twist up the wires, we fold it over so that we can get really nice connection. With that, we're going to grab one of the connectors, put that in there. We're going to use our special crimping tool on the smallest one. Then we're just going to grab that there, press down hard, just a couple of times. That way we have a really nice crimp join, and that ain't going anywhere. Now at this end, we're going to continue to join up our wires. So this is one of the wires that was broken through. I've just pulled it through the engine bay. This is a lot easier to work on here. We're going to use these blue wire strippers because the red ones are pretty useless. Gonna see if we can, yes, get that to work. That's alright. Let's take our new connector wire and we're gonna simply join it up here. And then we're just gonna crimp it down nice and tight a couple times, just like that. That's joined up. So now we'll go through underneath get that angle. Oh. And as you can see, we already got a couple connected there. And we're going to connect the green wire to the green wire. Crimp down on it tight a couple times. And it's done.